if you're unconsciously selecting thoughts where you have no money, if you're unconsciously always saying how things are expensive, how you can't afford this, how do you expect to be able to afford something? Because you're assuming the state of being where you can't afford something. You're continuing to assume a state of being where you don't have enough money. So therefore, your reality has to show you that. Your reality has to match that, because your subconscious gives you exactly what you give it in return. Now that you're here, before we start the video, if you haven't done so already, I would love for you to come and join the free Discord community that I created, and also grab your free copy of the Manifest My Dream Life ebook. And to do that, just look into the description below. You will find the links to both of those. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into the video. So my beautiful mods that I have that help me with the Discord community suggested that we do a money challenge. So since today is March 14th, I'm really big on days. Like, I don't know, I just like when things are consecutive and fall on a certain day. So since it is March 14th, that means you have legit 2 weeks left of March. And I feel like because March is a long month, you may have an extra day or two, but why not do a 2-week money manifestation challenge? All right. I know that money is like a really big thing, because you need money to live, to survive, to do things, like that's just the assumption we have across the board. And so for those of us who do believe that you have to have money to live and all of that stuff, why not create a challenge where you are manifesting money? Now, the thing is, I don't want you to put a limit on it. I don't want you to make this hard or overcomplicated, because I would prefer this to be a fun challenge. Putting a number on the amount of money to manifest can sometimes cause a little bit of resistance. That's just in my opinion. I feel like that can cause a little bit of resistance sometimes. So what I would love for you all to do is to join in on this 14-day money manifestation challenge. And I want you to pick an affirmation that implies how it's so easy for you to get money. Okay. So you can pick an affirmation like, I get paid to exist. Money comes to me so easily. I'm a money magnet. I'm always finding money. Money loves coming to me. Pick an affirmation like that. Okay. I want you to pick something that's fun, that's open. Like, don't make it stressful. I would definitely say don't make one that's like, oh, I have $100,000 in my bank account. Don't do that one. Do something more general. You see how the other ones are just like, money loves coming to me. Money comes to me effortlessly. I'm a money magnet. Money loves me. Okay. I get paid to exist. I get paid to breathe, right? I get paid to be me. I get paid to enjoy my life. Money just finds me. Money is always popping up. Money just shows up out of nowhere for me. Pick something like that, okay? And I want you to just affirm that. And you can affirm it however you see fit. But I do want you to affirm for this challenge. Sometimes you can visualize or whatever, but I really want the focus to be mental, okay? I want the focus to be thought, because if you've been a person who thinks money is hard to come by, I don't have any money, I can't make any money, I barely have enough money, bills are piling up. Like, if you are thinking those kind of thoughts, then yes, I want you to just affirm. And it doesn't matter how you do it. You can only affirm in the morning time. You can affirm all day long. You can record yourself on an app and listen to your affirmations and repeat it back. You can listen to it overnight. Whatever works for you, just make sure mentally inside of your mind, you are thinking this one affirmation. I only want you to pick one for this challenge. Don't pick more than one, just one. All right. One affirmation that implies how money just loves coming to you. Money is always coming to you, because I know growing up, a lot of us probably had not the best examples when it comes to money. You may have heard your parents or whoever raised you, stressed about money, complaining about money, the infamous saying how money doesn't grow on trees. But we all have an advantage here. If you're on this video, you have an advantage to life, because you know about the law of assumption. And it's really not even knowing about the law of assumption. You just have realized that you are a conscious creator. You are now a conscious creator. You realize that you're the one who's in control of everything that you experience, down to the finest detail. So because of that, you can do whatever you want. And when it comes to money, money can be a really big thing, but you don't have to work hard to get money. You don't have to hustle hard. You don't have to drain yourself to make money and work all these thousands of different jobs and climb the ladder. You don't have to do any of that stuff. Those are all just beliefs. Everything is a belief. Okay? When you really sit down and digest that and understand every single thing is just a belief. Everything. I have to go to work to make money, just a belief. I can make money appear out of nowhere with my mind, just a belief. I can go sell stuff to make money, just a belief. Money just instantly shows up in my bank account, just a belief. Like, it doesn't matter what side of the spectrum you're on, it's just a belief. And because you're believing it, that's what you're experiencing. So if you have struggled with money in the past, let's make this year your money year, okay? Let's make this year the year where you've touched the most money you've ever touched in your life. You've seen, made, manifested the most money you've ever made in your life, because you absolutely can do so. And if anybody has money manifestation success stories, please leave them down below or drop them in the Discord server under the success stories channel, just to add a layer of motivation for those who may have never manifested money before, or you feel like you've never manifested money before, right? Because you have unconsciously manifested a reality where there's a scarcity of money. And that's okay, because the moment you decide that that's no longer your truth and you have an abundance of money, that is now your truth. Manifestation works the same exact way for every single thing. And if you need money to feel secure, then you need to tell yourself you are so secure because you have so much money. Your life is so secure because you have so much money, right? Financial freedom, whatever it is. But again, for this challenge, do something that's very general, very fun and free. And I want you to just stick to it. All right. Wake up every single day for the next 14, maybe 15, 16 days. Wake up every day telling yourself how money just loves you. Money literally loves you. And what's going to happen is you're going to start noticing changes in your reality. And I want to do the challenge this way, so there is no expectation. You're just doing it and watching things change for you. So you may start getting all kinds of coupons, all kind of discount savings that you weren't expecting, finding money, people giving you money, people just sending you money, people paying for things for you. So now you're keeping money that you would have had to spend. All of those things still fall under the umbrella of money just loves me. Money comes to me all the time, right? I am so wealthy. I have so much money. Like, just tell yourself something that puts you in the state of being of having so much money, because everything that you experience is based upon your state of being, what you are aware of. And you're aware of things because they are in thought. So when you think you have money, then you experience a reality where you have money. It makes sense, right? So if you're going to join this challenge, I want you to comment money down below, okay? I want to see everybody that is tapping in that is going to be joining this challenge. Leave money down below. You can use that as accountability, okay? You can come back and comment every day that you showed up for yourself, that you did your affirmations, that you are the version of yourself who has money. Like, find some way to stay accountable. If you need extra accountability, definitely join the Discord server, because there's so many people in there and there's so many good conversations that go on, and you can literally find a manifestation buddy if you need it, an accountability partner if you need it, or you can just do a daily check-in, because there is a section for challenges that are going on right now. And since we have this one, you can definitely check in there. You can let us know what is working the best for you. What is your routine? Like, if you have any tips or tricks, like whatever, right? I really intend that you all have much success with this, because money is your birthright, just as manifestation is your birthright, okay? Experiencing all of your desires is your birthright, because this is what you're naturally doing. You're naturally doing it all the time. You are always choosing something. You're always selecting thoughts. But if you're unconsciously selecting thoughts where you have no money, if you're unconsciously always saying how things are expensive, how you can't afford this, how do you expect to be able to afford something? Because you're assuming the state of being where you can't afford something. You're continuing to assume a state of being where you don't have enough money. So therefore, your reality has to show you that. Your reality has to match that, because your subconscious gives you exactly what you give it in return. Whatever you give your subconscious, it gives you back. So stop giving it lack. Stop giving it I don't have money. You no longer associate yourself with the version of you who doesn't have money. You have experienced that version of yourself already. And there are infinite versions of you that exist. Infinite versions. You've only experienced one version of yourself in relation to money. So let's experience a different version of yourself who has so much money, because money just loves you. Money literally loves you. It wants to be with you. Experience that version of yourself and just imagine how amazing that reality looks for you. And know that can absolutely be your truth. It is your truth the moment you decide so. All right. So if you have any questions or comments for me, please leave them down below. If you are interested in any type of guidance or assistance with your manifestations, I do offer phone and email coaching. Or if you're interested in group coaching, I have that on my membership on YouTube and Patreon. The links for everything is down below. Other than that, if you watch this video until the end, I appreciate you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.